What's up guys, Johan here from Trading Walk, and in this video I want to do an update on EURUSD, the daily chart here, how to trade it. So last update we did on EURUSD, we were at this double top here, and I said it was a pretty good opportunity to take short trades down to first the double bottom low and then to this Fibonacci support zone here, the 50% mainly. And now we see that we're in this zone here between the 50% and 38.2. We also have some Confluence here, and I covered this before in previous videos. Basically, when you see a constellation or a pattern, the last resistance in that pattern is going to be support, and basically the last high here is this high, but also you have a micro high here, and if we draw a line here, you will see that we're right at that level now. So you have Confluence, you have the break of this channel and this line here. So multiple indications showing you that this can turn really bullish here. If we move down to a 1 hour chart, you can see here that we also starting to get some bullish action here. Basically, we're making lower highs and lower lows, but now we have broken this trend line, and we're also testing this lower high right here. So if we break through this one and we see price retrace and then makes a trend pulse pro signal, this can turn really bullish real quick. And you basically see, if we go back to the daily chart, that if your entry is down here and you place your stop loss below here and your take profit target, basically a risk reward ratio trade of 11.64, and that's really good. So that's my view on EURUSD. I think it's going to be a good opportunity, and you can take trend pulse pro signals all the way up here on a lower time frame, buy signals that is. So if you're more of a day trader, use this big picture view to take trades on a lower time frame. Hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it.